Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So as you guys can see, there's a box over there and I have my Continental Ultra Sport 3rd generation installed on my bike over here. And let you see how they look like. I think I'm in love, let you see. Again, as you guys been following my channel, specifically, I am moving from a 23mm Continental Ultra 2nd generation to the 3rd generation, which is what I have over here. So at the back, I had a stationary trainer tire, and you see I switched out. And this is the box. So down at the back there, I had a trainer tire, and at the front, I had already installed the new tire. And I have to admit, it was pretty easy to put them on. Now again, you guys that have been following me, I'm looking for the a little bit more comfortable and thicker tires. I mean, comfortable to ride and thicker tires, because the city where I live is falling behind on their infrastructure and so on. Now, if you end up buying these, this is how they look in the packaging, okay? I believe these are, let's see over here, are these made in Germany? I'm not quite sure, I don't think so. I think the gator skins are made in Germany over here, but this is just, you know, but anyways, this is how they look like. I'm gonna link the Amazon affiliate link down in the description, where I get a tiny bit of commission if you guys end up buying these. That's up to you guys. But this is how they look like. I am pretty impressed. Pretty easy to put them on. Now what I'm gonna be doing for you guys, I can't wait to take them out for a test ride and see how they perform. And I'm gonna be doing other video and all that. But so far, I'm pretty impressed how everything looks. Give me a thumbs up if you found this informative and so on. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.